Right. Okay, I think we're done with the screensaver. So this was the master room from Plus 98. So as Glitchzor already mentioned, is it from Microsoft Plus Kids? I think it's not. It's actually from Windows, from Plus 98, as I've said. So it should be here. It should be the messy room. Wait. Yeah, the messy room. And I think it's still a theme for 98 plus at least. Unless there's actually a theme for kids, but I don't actually remember. I think the Plus Kids had only like some extra features like for the plate like those 5 features where you actually can like use this for the speaking thing, for playing something. Wait, do I even have it here? Oh yeah, so paint it, play it, protect it, and talk it. I think that's all they had in a kids version. But I might as well switch the theme in this case. Since the whole desktop is already a mess, might as well switch that. Let me just pick that. Yeah, that should be sufficient. So now a bit more of a mess in this case. Is that the project on the desktop? What hell is that? I do not see any protogen in here. Unless you mean this, but I think that's just the old wallpaper. Or I'm missing something still. Take note that this is like from the previous stream leftover. So we had like all the installed programs still in here. So to keep it more of a wreck for now. And after that we'll now check out the another bug city from July and August 2001. There might be like a few more things that we can see, unless things freeze over for whichever reason. But yeah, let me check and even try to figure out if things are going even well. Hey NVDM, what's good? Basically just trying to do the stream overall. This is still kind of more or less blind. I was just like watching something on YouTube for a while, and then I jumped to this to prepare things. Apparently, we all know about Hypercam at least. That's like one of the most popular programs for recording back then on XP and well 98, 95 I think also on ME. I'm not sure if I tried it there, but yeah, I did try the XP to try to actually even record stuff. Now to register the AVM movie that we captured it will have a small unregistered Hypercam sign in the corner. Actually, let me try to maybe to resize this for a bit. You might not see the text quite well. So let me just make it a bit bigger. Maybe this should fit. Maybe that's not enough. A bit more. Wait, does that even update that damn thing in here? Yeah, maybe it doesn't. Wait, let me try to go with this. Yeah, it doesn't seem to affect it. Yeah, let me just switch back to the original theme then. Wow, I'm very lost already. Wait, is there a... There's supposed to be a team, right? I swear to God, there was like a team option. Oh, it's desktop teams. Okay, let's just switch back to the original state and hopefully you can still kind of read the text overall. Yeah, Hypercam is classic. So you have to go like with very small width and height. And let's see if we can actually record something. I think it's actually trying to record only this area. You can might see like just like small bit in here. So let me try to go back and stop recording and then play it. Okay, we can see that this. Okay, let me resize this and maybe zoom a bit. So you can see on register hypercam watermark, which is like the most common thing ever, and moving the stuff all around. Let me see what can. Oh wait, this constant noise that you keep hearing for opening and closing window, I think it's yeah. So for whichever reason, Windows keeps playing these sounds for I don't know, like something keeps opening and closing even though nothing is happening. So let me just disable that one and the second one. As much as it might be like fun to play, it might get annoying. So we'll keep it a bit less of a mess. Yeah, I don't think I'll just upload it to YouTube just for the few seconds of this part. That makes no sense. There should be still an option like... Okay, let me keep this opened. Not sure if I can actually capture with DirectX, we'll check. But I want to find an option to actually move the window around. And maybe see on any other option that we can pick. Now there's option to record sound, so we'll go with that. Highest quality. Record the cursor, yeah. Starburst, I think that's like for clicking. But there doesn't seem to be any option for moving. Pause, and wait, shift control. So if I shift control, then that should mean that I should be moving in this. And then if I try to play that, it should go with that. It should move the mouse. And that should mean that I should be moving in this. Oh, hold on a sec. I didn't expect that I would actually play myself over. I was expecting to record the system sound, not myself. And that should mean that I should be moving in this. Yeah. So yeah, it's actually recording like my voice, not actually recording the system. So let's see. So the microphone is selected. So if we try to pick stereo mix, it might actually might go with the sound then. Now play that. Go with the sound then. Okay, I give up then. So even if I try to set the stereo mix option in here, it's not going to record with that. Unless there's some kind of trick in here, but I have no idea at this point. So when recording sound, that goes with on my mic. So for Hypercam, I think like the latest version was version 3, and since then it was like a wreck. At least version 2 was fine enough for recording. Yeah, we're actually trying to make a tutorial about this. Maybe we'll see at the end. And for the microphone glitches, or well, the microphone works, but I think it's quite silent, and I'm not sure if it's even able to go with stereo mix at this point. So it's still like a mixed bag. You could still hear myself when I try to play the footage that I had. But where does that even save now? Let's check file in. Oh, it's in Hypercam folder. What's the sound? Oh, Let me just switch to MIDI player. Oh, it's that's just the sounds for the clicking. This is the first one, the second one, and the last one. That I might go with the sound. Yeah. And yeah, there's then the trouble with actually recording stuff. I think, let me just see if I can actually move this constantly. And then, what if I can actually try recording like the whole, no, like the whole region. From here to here. Wait. Like the full HD. Now it should be recording in full HD, and this seems to be like very slow, so that's not great. Should be, and yeah, it should be like hello, whoa, how to do this and that, and then sub like, and yeah. All that crap that we had like long time ago. And then stop and play it. Now it should be recording in full HD, and wait, let's go full screen. It doesn't go with full screen at this point, but okay, let's just play it like this. Now it should be recording in full HD, and this seems to be like very slow, so that's not great. Should be, and yeah, it should be like hello, whoa, how to do this and that, and then sub like, and yeah, all that crap that we had like long time ago. I'm actually surprised that this actually even managed to run quite well. So you generally had full HD screen being recorded at 20 frames per second. Or it's 10. Yeah, it's 10. Wait. Yeah, 10 frames per second, I guess. I'm not sure with just the choice of the codec in this case. So let's see if we can actually go with 30. With 60 frames every key for every keyframe. Let's try that. Uh-oh. Okay, I think it froze. Because I cannot do anything, so I have to cancel that. Okay, that's apparently too much. Whoops. Yeah, that went quite bad. Let me just go back to this. Oh, wait, how was it? Hypercam, right? I don't see it here though. Oh, Hypercam. So unregistered, yada yada. And there's also a new version apparently, 161.2. Yeah, does that even running or? Oh yeah, I actually forgot that I have a Wayback Machine on. So yeah, this works. Earthquake switch to your VM. Actually, I've left the locking in permanently, and when I try to move the mouse, it basically changed the start position, just like for a pixel, which was still kind of possible at this point. So this doesn't work with. So we'll stick with 10 frames and 20. There are also like other codecs, but we'll skip for that. And I think that's like enough for this thing. So yeah, Hypercam. What else to say? Very nice tool back then. It could still work as if things didn't go quite bad. Wait, I forgot to actually try to run it with what was it? DirectX. So let's try that. 1020 should still work. I'll just go like this to see how that will work. Stop, play. Should still work. I'll just go like this to see how that will work. Okay, it still works. Actually, wait. Let's go like this. Work. I'll just go like this to see how that will work. So I'll try to loop. I'll try to like to record myself over and over just to see how this will go. So that's for 10. Let's see for 20. For in here. And I'll play. Oh. Okay, that didn't work. Let me check again. Again. It's recording now. It's still on 10, but wait, this was disabled. If I try to switch again to 20 and 40. Yeah, that's not working. Okay, what might be another trick in here? Okay, let's try maybe some other codec. Let's see this one and then open out for 20, but oh, that's broken. Video one. No. I guess record yourself watching a recording of yourself. I cannot actually put a camera on this virtual machine. I think I did try something. Wait, I actually can, but there's like lots of mess to work with to actually see my camera in here. So I have to relay a camera from another virtual machine to a server, and then that server actually streams the content on Windows Media Player, and that would actually be kind of combination that's hell of a work to do. You should use Hypercam for all your future videos. This I actually had, I did actually use Hypercam a long time ago when I had it like in AVI format, but unfortunately, I couldn't record anymore in any higher frames per second. So I tried like using 60 frames per second, and that never worked. So even now it doesn't work. But usually in my case it would actually throw like saying like you're recording too many frames, even though I actually had like a laptop from 2011 that could actually record quite well, and it did work in even an older PC. So I don't know what happened that it stopped working. But yeah, unfortunately, I cannot do that anymore. So yeah, at this point, I can just record this. Oh, I didn't change anything. Oh well, it's broken at this point, so no more. And yeah, and just a note, hey, Big ML from Kick. Sorry for not mentioning. Like I'm trying to check like all the activity feeds in here. So hey, I'm trying to stream from Kick, from YouTube, from Twitch, and technically from like some of my restream service, which is kind of internal thing. So yeah, complete mess. Well, we are kind of done with this unless I can still record something. But the far we tried already. Changing this at any point will not work. Maybe just going with this. Okay, it works for now. Okay, let's play the video that I had. It was in here. Hypercam. Wait, where is it? And the latest one. Oh, so that's the problem. I cannot actually do the recording of myself in here because Windows Media Player is unable to open. Actually, wait, that's the same file that I'm actually trying to run. No, this one. Oh, not supported. Wait, so the clip 9 or 8 again. Ah, it's recording now. It's still on 10, but okay. Now this record. Okay, it works for now. Okay, let's play the video that I have. Yeah, I give up. Even if I go full HD, it's still going to break. I don't know. It's just breaking at this point. Okay, what do we have next? Autoware. Let me check this. I don't think I have Autoware. I have like some other collection of macro media stuff, but not Autoware. But as it says, it's like some kind of tool for creating multimedia apps, which I assume it might be like one of those typical stuff that you can actually, how to say, make as a presentation or whatever else. Just a moment. There's like some kind of spam on Twitch chat. Someone just say, "Oh, check out some Russian domain for increasing your audience," and all that junk. Like I cannot actually be a bigger idiot than that. Are we done? Okay, it is done. Yeah, it's done. 6 bit, and which one should go? I think this one. Congratulations on choosing Autoware, the leading rich media visual authoring tool for web and online learning. With Autoware, you'll be able to create engaging learning applications for delivery on the web, corporate networks, and CD-ROMs. You'll also be able to stream your content over the web, easily track student progress and results. So basically, it's like an app for exams and all that junk. This is the version of Autoware. It was created in October 2000. For more information and latest Autoware updates, please visit macromedia.com/software/Autoware. Let me see if we can actually open that. Just let me open this. And how it will go. You may not have everything you need to view certain sections of macromedia.com. Please see our site requirements, which is basically requiring Flash Media Player if you try to cover it a bit. So yeah, Autoware, the solution dedicated to creating rich media e-learning content. What's new, yada, and all that stuff. Let's try it out. This version of Autoware may not be used for commercial distribution, so it's not commercial. License to trial user. So we can create application or quizzes. Suitable toward training quizzes. Load numerous options. Let's try that first. File not saved. This knowledge object will need to copy files to the same directory as your application. You must save the file before continuing. Click OK to save your file. Okay. Okay. Oh, this has a bit of Windows, actually not Windows, of Office wizard. As far as I remember seeing this, let me just open a PowerPoint just to say as an example. The PowerPoint. There should be a wizard. Yeah, you can see that. So if you try to compare those two, it's kinda close. Kinda. Maybe I cannot guarantee, but similar. What else? Yeah, let's see. Let's just go to this quickly. The size, we'll go with full screen. While the layout, I think this will go a bit larger. Nope. The corporate look, optimized for that. Consumer, educational, clean, or techno. We'll go with consumer. That looks kind of a bit different. Then see for the options, help, bookmark, find, menu, objectives, glossary. For login setup options for your application. Show login screen at start, ask for user ID, social security number, telephone number, or other ID. For sure enough, that sounds very creepy already. I think like, I'm not sure what's like for the United States, but I think like the social security number is like something like private, like sensitive and kind of non-sensitive information as far as I've heard. Like it's used like in some cases for verification, but it's also like used in some like for like it's can be easily abused, but even I have no idea. It's kind of very mixed bag in that case. So yeah, as I'm not from the United States, I have no idea how does the social security number even work at this point. We'll just go with telephone number. Ask for the password. No. Limit user to 3 tries before quitting. Actually, no. Actually, let's go with that just to see. Wonder where it stores that. Do you mean the user ID? I think that's like just like started some file. We'll see. Maybe. Hello, Julius Cruz. And yeah, NVDM, it's most likely going to be plain text. Yeah, you check user progress and report to text file, database, or whatever this is, AI, CSC, compliant LMS. Turns off login option. The second one requires login option. It's Windows only, so we'll go with text file. So yeah, plain text. Yeah, we'll check into VDM then if it's going to store it or not. What else? So content setup, edit section, pages not. Okay. Banana. I had a section for that. Wait, what did I actually? Why did I actually try to type this? Okay, it's a banana. So that's banana. So that page. Facts. Add quiz. Trivia. Okay, let's see of that. So banana, facts, and trivia. Let's see how this will go. And is it even possible to edit it on here or no? Not possible. So we'll go that. For objectives, set up your objectives here. Wait, what is the first thing you require? So this is just for pages. So objectives typically list what tasks the user should be able to perform upon completing the application. Select any objective in the list to modify it. Okay, new objective. Get a banana. Okay, new objective. Open the banana. New objective. Eat the banana core. Just not to mix up the core and the skin. And then throw the banana. Okay, I don't get it. So this is like, so I can write the whites like this separately. Wait, so get a banana. Like, look at this. So how is this actually ordered? Like this is like separately, like this is like without a new line, and this one. Actually, I actually don't get it. Okay, we'll skip. We'll go on, and then the glossary for terms and definitions. Definitions may include an image and/or a sound file or a movie file. Select any item in the list to modify it. Okay, and new term, which will be banana. Definition. A yellow fruit. Maybe that's the most simple way to say it. Unless the things have changed in these years that the banana became a vegetable, which I hope isn't. Wait, it's not a fruit. It actually is a fruit, but it's also like a plantain thing, just like the banana in this case is like the sweet thing. Plantains are usually kind of more savory. I think there are some more variants, but we usually like know the banana like the yellow thing, but plantains are usually like greenish thing in some ways. It can, or actually there might like be some more variants. Um, I'm lost at that for now. We'll just stick for this for now. Okay, finished up. Ready to create your application. Done. Now building your object and whichever else. This should be like the options here. So let's see. And so wait, that's the quiz part. We're not to the quiz knowledge object. This knowledge object and helps create a quiz as section in your hardware application. Okay, let's say this. So three tries. Number to ask questions to ask. All questions. You know, it's 0 in here for whichever reason. Randomized question order. Place score and at the end. Director tag, which I have no idea what it is. Is it ranking or something? Scoring and tracking. Judge user response immediately. Display check and answer button. User must answer the question to continue. Show feedback if the question is judged, and passing score is 17%. So generate feedback. Correct. Excellent. That's right. Wait, is there any other? And for negative, incorrect, wrong. Sorry, that's the wrong answer. The generic stuff apparently. And now for the questions. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Drag and drop. Wait, can you run wizard on that? What the hell is it now? Oh, never mind. Just something on a phone. Oh god. Set question. All of the objects in the correct positions. In authoring pause mode. In authoring mode, pause the presentation to find out where. First start and end positions. Wrong change given. Incomplete choice. Oh, I have no idea what's this. So I have no idea what I actually meant now for the quiz part. We'll just go down. This is very confusing already. Oh, wait, go back. Not new thing. Just left me open the existing thing that had. Oh. Log on. Oh, I already broke something. Wait, how do you go back? Oh my god. So wait, how did I actually do that now? Oh wow. I didn't know that this was this complex. Wait, how do you even run this thing then? Wait, can you even run it? There's like the restarting, but wait, package maybe. Package without runtime. Yeah, for 9598. Yeah, just a moment. I forgot to actually disable the non-disturb for now. I'll check it out later. Okay, let's see. Let's just put it in documents and see what's going to actually export. Because I have no idea what's actually doing in here. Okay, list. test, test. The name is not the roster. Sign on. When effects, and then any bookmark, find objectives. Next session. Oh wow, this is very messy. So now I'm actually stuck in here and I cannot click anything. So this is very odd kind of a problem. Oh, and then you get one mark. Oh, and a crash again. Oh god. So apparently this is like just like a very more or less do-it-yourself to graphically create your interface and all that stuff, but I cannot find a way to even get now the tools now in here. Oh, A2. There is a bunch more stuff in here, but I think it will be actually better to find maybe like an example of this, because as far as I've tried like this independently, it's horrifying. Let's see for the tutorial. Can you actually run it? Wait, let's see in here. Oh, earth, sky, and water. Oh, you can also still move stuff. Tree symbols show the Maya glyph for the earth, the Egyptian hieroglyphic for sky, and the Chinese character for water. Click a symbol to find about it. And you can still move stuff and make a mess with whichever reason. Find something also. Wow, this is very inconvenient thing. It's yeah, trying the symbol even. Yeah, this is very confusing problem overall. So even though if you try to like make something, you have no idea if you're actually able to try it out or actually are editing it. Even then, you cannot actually edit it well. And even then, there's like the mention of storing the stuff. So is that in here or? So yeah, I have no idea where it's actually being where the stuff are being stored. So we did like start. So that's still kind of stored apparently. But is this in here or somewhere else? Okay, let me try with Notepad at least. What's in here? Oh. Oh, that's a program. Oh. And that seems to be also some kind of program. So I still have no idea where it's actually saved. So let me check for the changes in here. Let's try to find the files that were created today. Well, that's a bunch of stuff most likely. Okay, so that doesn't work. Actually, it might if you actually go like with this, but I don't think I'll be able to have any luck. So this should be the latest in here, maybe. Let's see. Yeah, no idea. So maybe I should find a like I should get the tool for checking for monitoring. So let me see. It should be file one, I think. Okay, we'll check with this. I'll just switch back. and try to filter the file. Oh god damn it, don't scroll down. Okay, just include this. Okay, now let's see what files might be actually in use. Okay. Okay, sign on, quit. Okay, now let's see if what's actually written into where. Okay, I think we got it. So this is the location. So it's in Windows AS85W data 998 or 9999. Internal quiz record and users. Yeah, so as NTVDM mentioned, this is how the data is stored. So first name, middle name, last name, and then the private data, which should be the telephone number or social security number, like this. And it goes like from 99 million 900,000 wait 999,999 as a first ID, and then it goes everything lines like that end. So if you have about 100 million entries, then it's most likely going to fail, I think. So yeah, NTVDM. This is literally plain text because that's like was given as an option. You have other options in here. Let me just go back if you can find this. Just to give you a note on that. Okay, let me go back to the original thing. Oh dear god, let me just switch back to the how they actually go. Oh yeah, close the window. Okay, so in here, wait, how did you go? Let's just go with new thing. Okay, save, just replace. Okay, so in here you can see, wait, in here you can see like how to say it. So it's text saved as text file. You have like the other options, but we have no idea how that would work. Sorry for the error sound glitches overall, but yeah, it can be funny. It can also be annoying after some time still. But what's with the user info in here then? Oh, so we have so this is actually where it's actually being saved either way. So this is actually for report, but in here you can actually see the actual registration data. So username, login ID, password, first date, last name, total time, login attempts, and what's completed. But yeah, for the report still. But whichever way, yeah, both of those are actually saved. Alright, there are also like some other options here, which seems like chemistry and physics, which I think are the actual demos for the outware, because they look kind of similar to the thing that we actually tried out. So let's try chemistry. When it actually does install. Oh, installer terminated prematurely. The IO operation has been aborted because they either retracted it or an application request. So let's retry again. Oh, no. Ignore that. That's more of how to say, more legal stuff that we don't care about. And apparently I cannot even install this. It just fails. Okay, let's try physics. Oh, god damn it. Suspended. You must undo the changes. Undo the changes. Okay, let me try to just restart the damn thing, so see how things will go. So why would not want your SSN number secured somewhere? I don't know. As I said, I'm not from United States, so I have no idea how does the SSN number is safe or not in this case. Just check something. No, just a moment. Okay, let me just go back in. We already landed in a complete mess in here. I'll just click quit from next start, as I kind of prefer like this old style. And let me just quit all the remaining stuff from before. Okay, that should be enough. Let's try again. Okay, so where were we? Oh yeah, we were still like in the app section. Okay, let's try chemistry again. So again with me clicking the thing down here, that damn ad. That's why I hate those. Suspend and undo the changes. Oh, installed. Launch. Yeah, install it. Okay, so apparently it seems it managed to work for whichever reason. I don't know. Let's hope it will go well at this point. Okay, so the freedom sample contains 12 full module from our general chemistry tutorials. You may access this program as many times as you wish with 30 days of installation. You can also fill out a simple registration form and we'll send you a password to permanent to unlock this program at no cost. This left 30 and then registration in here to type in. So let's just run. NCH Multimedia presents General Chemistry version 5. Quick tour, general principles, bonding. Okay, quick tour.
Welcome to NCH Multimedia's Quick Tour. Here we will introduce the main features and how to get around the tutorials. By the end of this tour, you should be familiar and comfortable with the tutorials and what they have to offer. For this quick tour, all hypertext and interaction buttons have been disabled. You have already seen the main menu, which is accessible at all times by clicking on the top button on the gray sidebar. Do not click it now unless you want to exit this quick tour. You can choose any of the topics listed in the main menu. Let's return to the quick tour. Also on the side button bar, this Restart button takes you to the beginning of the tutorial that you are in. A personal blank notebook has been provided for your use. Click the Notebook button to access it and to write down important notes and formulas. This button with the book on it links you to the table of contents for the tutorial that you are in. A red checkmark appears to indicate which subtopics you have already looked at. The main topics and their subtopics are presented in the table of contents. This is to give you a clear picture of what the tutorial contains. You can find any word or phrase in a given module by using this button. Click the button, type the word or phrase, and select Go to Page. This button links directly to the short quiz for the tutorial that you are in. For the review problems and practice tests, select Problems from the main menu. The last button on this side toggles the voice on and off. It does not turn off the sound effects, only the voice. For each module, this main menu is visible. You can click on any blue text to navigate around the tutorials. Here we click on the main topics to see what they contain. Normally you will find subtopic menus that appear below. Again, you can click on the topics in the submenu. The current submenu will always be highlighted. Small triangles appear to indicate your current location within the tutorial. The main topic title appears at the top of the display screen. The subtopic titles appear in smaller text below, often with other explanatory titles. The central area contains the tutorial content.
Okay, I think I'm done with that. That takes way too long.
Chemistry is essentially about bonding. The making of bonds, the breaking of bonds, studying molecules, predicting new ones, and synthesizing them. A bond is a purely quantum phenomena, and now that we have a background in quantum, we can apply that knowledge to study bonding.
I heard like bonding bomb and all that, but it feels very awkward already. But yeah, I think like that's usually what you usually did learn in chemistry. I just have no memory like of this. I think that this is like a combination of like of the basic kitchen salt. So basically sodium and chlorine, like for bonding and making a salt in this case.
Bonds basically occur because the molecules formed are more energetically stable than the separate atoms. This is not strictly true, as entropy can all molecules vibrate. The shaded area, if the atoms get too close, they start to repel each other. If a molecule vibrates too vigorously, the bonds will break. Bonds basically, when atoms approach each other, the electron clouds overlap, and bond stability arises. Crystals of salt, which are sodium chloride, formed from sodium plus and chloride minus ions, and magnesium oxide, formed from magnesium 2 plus and oxide 2 minus ions, have a large ionic character. Note, if we assume they are purely ionic, then the bond energy is predicted to be 4 times. When atoms approach each other, the electronegativity is a measure of the ability of an atom in a molecule. If electronegativity, Linus Pauling attempted to quantify, click any element to see Pauling's electronegativity value for that particular element. Use the pull-down menu to see Pauling's table of electronegativity values. The bond use the pull-down lattice. Polar molecules have an
Yeah, not just like a bunch of things at this point. I think I can actually follow up all of this, but yeah, I can probably get a lot of things in here. You can actually see. And even recording all of that could take a lot of time. So yeah.
Chemistry.
Contents, the notes. Fine, then maybe quiz. Nope, I suck at this already. I probably cannot actually take a test at this point. It's been years since I've actually even done
Chemistry is essentially about
chemistry apparently. So yeah, no luck for me then. But yeah, as you can see, things like this did exist even a long time ago. It just like was that used in many places. So as far as I know, in Balkans, we didn't have anything kind of interactive for years until in maybe 2006 or 2007. After that, things kind of increased in the interactivity. We just use like the books and that's it. Oh, and there's like one screen share for Desktop Destroyer. Wee. That's quite a fancy one. Just destroy the desktop in bits, even though it's not like now in pixels. And everything goes nuts. And then it goes again. Bit for a bit. More of a mess, as expected. But we can actually make it even more messy with desktop packs then. Let's install that. One of the cooler stuff, I would say. Well, it would have been cooler if you can actually had it like constantly, or actually like have it like for free maybe. Can you even run it or? Oh, it's expired. Okay, let's just go trail a bit back in 2000. Now it works. Somehow it works. Just when you try to change the date. I really had such trials where they just like make it expire, then you can never try it again. So what do we actually get now? Again, on my computer, not like everything like in here decorated. the web as MSN notes and stuff. Oh, its notes. Please remember this is a beta. Visitstar.com for sport. Formal skins, wait for that, and then load fancy team, load kiss. Oh, no team for that. No, don't save. And oh, this is like LCAR style, like, right? I think that it is. I kind of barely remember the Star Trek at this point, but yeah, that should be from there. You know, you might like have like few options, but that's still just maybe like an example at this point. So you can probably just like add things in here and edit it. Oh, oops. Oh, there's also like it would actually try to go to the starduck.com for the news. I mean, for the like the news server, the old thing. So you can actually just have like options here and then tweak it your way. It's kind of, well, pretty simple, I would say. Maybe it's just not the appropriate now for the current team that I have on. But yeah, it's kind of fancy. And you can also have like some other effects. I think you can also add like specific more object. So with this, wait, not like that. Oops. Wait. Oh, what have now? Oh dear God. Again with the moving the text and not the whole group. Clone all, okay. Oh, wait, delete. Okay, let's try making a template from this. Oh, God damn it. So you put it like that, and then the icon. Can you actually even open it with that, or maybe not? Let's check. Properties in here, appearance. Okay, so that's the icon. Wait. There should be some kind of icon in here, right? Okay, okay, we'll go. Whoa, why do you mean overwrite? I'm trying to open, not save. Okay, overwrite. Okay, let's see. Okay, if I try to do that, properties, then there should be an option for some action in here, I think. Yeah, it's shortcut. Configure it as a file shortcut and then open open welcome.exe. So if I try to click that, yeah, that could be kind of it. So yeah, basically desktop X is just like a bunch of widgets that you can put on, specifically images, and then just by clicking on a specific event you can trick it out to make it look like whichever way you want. It might take a while. Okay, let me try to switch a team to something else. Load another team, which is the default. No, don't save. So yeah, we were here in the nodes. So there was like the other stuff in here. The clock that looks extremely similar to the Windows Vista clock, specifically placed in here. If you also just add a gradient here, you might get a like slight, how to say, something slight close to the old style of Vista. So just a moment, let me try maybe something here. So yeah, I need to actually have, let me just see, what are the options here? What's this? Oh. Oh. Is there any drawing plugin maybe in here or no? Okay, we'll go with bitmap, but I'll just have to do something. I'll use the Photoshop in here. Wait, which one should be? Okay, I think that's it. Okay, let me just try to create something. Just and then 180. Okay, now I should find out an option for a gradient, I think. Is there an option for gradient in here at all? I actually prefer like the older stuff. Okay, let's see. Just saw this. Okay, let me just go with the dark one and then in a second, let's make it maybe a bit much bigger. Maybe a bit more bigger. Okay, so so now I should try maybe okay, let's just keep it like something close to this. Since I don't have like any experience with this Photoshop thing, we'll just go with plain style in here. So it should be bitmap. Place it on the desktop. Yeah, just store it like that. Oh, and actually for that doesn't support maybe transparency, so that might not work. There is a PNG, so we'll see if that works. Let's hope so. Ah, it might. Okay, excellent. Now we'll just move this in here. Let's move this thing. And we kinda have the Windows oh dear god. Oh, come on. And now we have the sidebar under the quotes. The poorest man Vista to VDM has said, yeah. Very, very poor, and I think I can actually put, let's see, for the order, normal maybe? Oh, whoa, no. Desktop. Hit moment activation, start with, and oh dear god, this is not real possible to actually just keep it like underneath. Actually, maybe it might actually require putting in a group or something. Move up. Yeah, try to just copy it. Yeah, let's see that. So, yeah. Okay, let's just keep it like this. Because, yeah, as said, the poor man's Vista, it's not able to actually keep this more transparent than you can think of. And this opens what exactly? Oh, the official US time. From timing.gov. Please click a time zone. We'll go with Pacific time zone. Right now the official US time is 12 o'clock, kind of 9 minutes past 10 seconds, Tuesday, June 3rd, 2003. And that's sufficient for now. So you know, you might even know the timestamp at this point. There's also, I think there's like one more team. So we had the sci-fi and we also have the fancy. Yeah, just save that as, or so what's this one? Oh, this is more of yeah, that's definitely fancy, and this is looking like a Decepticon icon. Yeah, it looks like that. Can you open it? The clock is in here. The tray, the taskbar. Start. Start doesn't seem to work. The kind of the quick launch thing. The left faces the recycle bin. And the blank area in here. Oh, no, don't register because I have no code for this. And we'll just go back to the old one that we had. So what are the options in here? Team settings, maybe other extra stuff. Yeah, that's pretty much it. There might be like something else maybe to add as an object. Let's see. This is an existing stuff in here. Can you import anything? Yeah, there are no objects in here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So we'll stick for this for now and continue. Now we have a desktop screensaver. Let's try that. Open the oh wait, let's just unload this. Find that screensaver, which is the bit start here. That should be under D, right? Oh wait, that's the oops. Okay, that's broken. But that's not it, that's something different. Okay, so let me try to find this thing. So it should be maybe named under D. It doesn't look like it's in here. Let me check. Okay, so what we were trying to do. Windows System Desk Work. It's no wonder why it's not actually showing. You put it in like the worst possible folder ever. It should be in here, but okay, so where the hell is it? It's not in here. Not in here either. Wait, even that doesn't work because I have to actually figure out the date. Okay, let's try just searching for that. For oh, now we have it. The damn thing was like, yeah, it's named. Wait, how it's named? Li disk swarm. Okay, open it. I don't like this. That's kind of like very long delay and felt like something malicious. Let's try again. Oh, no wonder that doesn't work because the graphics cards it's not supported, so that fails. Yikes. Alright, what else? Iconoid. When you don't need the icons, hide them with this tool. Install. And where is it? It should be here. Yeah, automatic hiding, delay hide. Oh, it just hides like that. Okay. So it's like if I just stay still. and go back. I think that's kind of nice. Like, you just like don't do anything and it fades away after 3 seconds. I think that's very cool. Like, if you actually want to have a kind of clean desktop and with setting up like a bit of delay, that seems kind of cool thing. And you can even change the background color. So because if you remember, the background colors for the text in here was usually kind of bluish, and now it's actually transparent, so that's also nice. This is actually a very nice program. A perfect menu for tweaking the menu stuff. Oh. Let's see that. Reminder, thank you very much for trying perfect menu. You can evaluate this with free fully functional copy for 30 days. Click on the OK button to continue an evaluation. Your system clock appears to have been set back, possibly in an attempt to defeat the security system on this program. Please correct your system clock before trying to run this program again. If your clock is correct, please contact the author of this program for instructions on correcting this error. So apparently you cannot run this if the damn thing is in the 2000s. So if I try to change the date a bit later, that's 2003. Is that sufficient for you? Okay, sorry developer, but I'm not able to actually figure out which date do you want at this point. Rainbow ground. Create backgrounds for the desktop or web. That should be like some kind of generator for the wallpaper. Should be cool. Okay, finish and create. So let's see, what are the options here? Random call factors, save, not repeating. Whoa, kind of scary for the blackout, but lock that. And okay, let's see what's this. I think this should be random. And then try this. Oh, that's I mean, it looks nice, but the pattern is very, very awkward now. I'm not sure if anyone else kind of feels a bit dizzy by looking at this. Just by shuffling it for a bit feels kind of awkward. But yeah, you can just try to tweak the things in here, like specific color value. Pro, or I'm not sure how it's actually treated in this case. Okay, let me just close for a bit and retry. Okay, so we have dark completely. And now if we try to pull this up, okay, that's red. And here also, oh, and here, oh, now that's completely horizontal. Oh. And if I try this, oh, so that's how things actually go in here. If I try to lock, oh, okay, let's see if I can try something like this. Oh. Okay, maybe a bit darker, maybe high contrast, and how it's going to look. Very, very awkward. What? Why the hell not? So you can save it as JPEG, bitmap, or rainbow ground document. We'll go with the bitmap and we'll just save it like that. Oh, save works in registered version only. I was hoping this would be a very nice program because that's not mentioned anywhere. Such a shame. It looked cool. Oh wait, you can also change the image size. Make it larger or even smaller. And yeah, so you only have option here. How to register. So why should I register? Because you cannot then can save the images. Otherwise it will work only on demo. They will have support from the author. You register only once and get it then for free. And by registering $20, you will provide support for this software. Then register online by fax, order, mail, voice. Oh, by telephone. Never mind. And then provide all your data: name, company name, address, telephone, email, credit card number, expiration date, your credit card type: Visa, MasterCard, American Express, the Discover, and Eurocard. Whatever option. And you can also check out the website, which is apparently on Russian domain. Oh, and it has moved away to desktopfay.com. Oh, and it's free. Ooh, wait, it's free, but with adware. Oh, what's actually Desktop Fade then? Okay, let's see if we can actually download this. Download, save, open, install, yeah. And let me just close this one first, so it doesn't actually make any conflict. It's free. It's freeware. However, you have an option to register it just for $9.95 to support further development. The registered version will not display ad pages on exit. So basically, it's ad supported. You can share it freely with the complete distribution files, and you may not distribute your registration information because that's going to actually destroy the whole economy. Okay, finish up and try again. It should be this. Oh, 1.1. Now let's make it random. Let's make it a bit larger. Now let's save as test and as a bitmap. And it works. And now apparently we can set that up. So it should be in the desktop test, and we can actually have it stretched or tiled or centered, but we'll keep it stretched a bit for more plasma-like style. So that's nice. So if you try to close it, it will actually try to open some page. I think this is the page that will be actually open, so you should see it. Your personal secretary, desktop Faye. So what's this? Okay, at this point, this stream is becoming a browsing the old web plus software stream, which I didn't actually kind of expect, but yeah, let's see. So Desktop Faye is a smart and friendly desktop assistant, so kinda close to the office assistant, your personal secretary. Unlike most other desktop assistants, she's really useful. She can act as an email client, email notifier, mailing lists manager, personalized batch email sender, reminder, and calculator. So she can be, how to say, a mail sniffer, email announcer, Mailing list manager. What should be that? I have no idea. So basically, substitution manager, personalized batch email sender sounds like a spam sender, mass spam mail sender, reminder, and calculator. So basically, the basic stuff that you already have. Okay, let's see. Let's try that. If it's actually possible. Does it work? Please tell me. Oh. Yeah, just open another session, run it. Oh, that. Let me just close the first one. Wait. What did you. Oh, goddamn it, WinZip. Let's try again. Don't minimize this time. Sorry, I wasn't following the chat, so I checked chat for a bit. So yeah, sorry for the seizure disk for first. You can use print screen to bypass that. Julius Cruz. You can technically do that. You can hide the window and then maybe kind of screenshot it and then like use that. But if you have seen, it actually stores the actual, how to say, the tile image only. But yeah, you can also do that. It's possible. What's your opinion on the internet at its current state? Glitchzora, that's basically the current internet is horrifying. Even like YouTube, Twitch, and all that services are so, how to say, so heavy for monetization at this point that you cannot actually find any how to say, unique creators. No, not unique. More or less like creators that do this for a hobby than for money. So yeah, so it's better. So it's better kind of like to have it as a hobby than getting it for money. Is the site still up, or is this a Wayback Machine proxy? This is basically a Wayback Machine proxy for now, around 2001 or 2003. So yeah, that's so yeah. I assume that website might not be working at this point. So I will continue with installing this. Oh, that's her. Scary. And she also has an orange hair. That's very awkward now. Wait, red hair, I think, yeah. I usually had bad experience with redheads, but it might be. Hopefully, I'll have some better one in the future, like better experience in the future with red-headed people. This is actually installing very slow. Like it takes a few more seconds than usual, and it's about only 20 megabytes, I think. Wait, how much is it? 2 megabytes. So it's very strange that it actually loads that slow. Alright, this is done. Let's check the... Wait, where is it? It's not in here, it should be in here. Okay, Faye, come on. Oh. She's supposed to say something, or? Hi, I'm your personal secretary. You can give me any name. Please enter the name for me. Faye, we'll go with that. Please enter your full name. I need this to personalize outgoing email messages. Your email address, no. You have not entered all options necessary for me to function properly. If you need to modify my options, right click on me and select options command. Okay. So you have a events clock, email, and a calculator. So just a moment. So is there any sound effects in here? Let's see. Appearance, yeah, she's Faye. Change desktop color to standard blue. Why the hell you want that? No, don't change the color. Run the secretary on startup. Run minimized. Minimize after some time. Send mail to the server. Receive mail. Yeah, the classic way. So yeah, for the clock, you can add a clock event. Time in like 1 hour. And notify me to get a banana. Mine is on animation. Yeah. Okay. So in 1 minute I should get like a notification that I should eat a banana at this point. And then for the mail. Thank you for using this for Faye. I hope this virtual secretary will be useful for you. Best regards, Dimitri G. Kozhinov, author of this for Faye, and most likely the rainbow thingy. And then you also have like the basic Outlook Express like mail service. We'll see if she'll notify me or not. So Rainbow Outground and Desktop Faye are made by the same developer, as far as I'm aware. There's the Soprano family screensaver. I've heard that like this is like some kind of like very popular. Is it like TV series? I think, but I never watched it. Oh. That's scary. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to use that. And yeah, there's also the calculator. So if you try to divide by 0, well, it's an error. And that's enough. Close. And then it's in here with digital services. So you also have it in French, Italian, Portuguese, and Russian. And you have 21 days left. Tell your friends if you want. Dear name, I'm Faye, virtual secretary of me. My chief authorized me to inform you that you can get your personal secretary too, just for $29.95. May I send several emails, please, to all of yet not informed? If I try to pick OK, I feel like this is not going to end up well. I don't think I've even set up for the mail setting, so that should be okay. Okay, let me just try to copy the stuff from here. I should have the email stuff in here set up for the mail account. Okay, so if I try to do that, the yet not informed mailing list is empty. So wait a second. So all of not yet informed, then you cannot get it. So hold on a second. So if you try to maybe switch an identity, how will that work? Let's switch to John and let's try to send an email. Okay, let's see from the Faye. I should be able to get an email from here. Wait. I think I need to configure this maybe. I think I've just sent for the sending, but not for receiving emails. Yeah, this is for the sending. I need to also set up for the receiving. I was using the pop, so it's this. Oh shit! I screwed up. So yeah, apologies for this being loud, for the alarm clock part, that is. Check the email at startup and maybe leaving messages on the server apparently. I'm going to check the mail, maybe. Hold on a second. Let me try to close this and try to reopen. If I did set it up to actually check the mail at that point. You have a new message on the server. Receive now? Yes. So yeah, I got a message from John Doe saying hello. Okay, so let's just send back the message back. Or actually, wait, can actually... hold on a sec, let me try to... How do I add him to the contacts in this case? List of contacts, maybe? Add? Okay. Not John Dope, but John Doe. And that should be enough to actually kind of send the this to tell friends. Okay. You're not sending the mail, apparently, Faye. Nope, just trying to speak something that they cannot hear, apparently. And... oh, we got it. And then we get the mail from myself. We'll keep her in here for now. Oh, apparently Godzilla managed to download this. So I have no idea how that happened. Oh, and then I get the Godzilla thing. Never mind. And then we... oh yeah, we forgot this. Let's try this screensaver. Nail sound, okay. Wait. Okay, let me not disable the sound. Because it says like theme song from the Sopranos will play, so maybe not. I'll just give it like a minor second. Wait, what's the setup? Whoa. Okay, so you saw everything. As much as I want to play this, I assume it's just like wallpaper of just like few pictures of the Sopranos family, and that's it. As I don't want to actually have any other copyright trouble like I did from before by just playing like one damn game that I had. Warbird screensaver should be maybe a bit better. Hopefully not as terrifying. Important, this screensaver requires DirectX. If you do not have it, you may download free of charge from our website. It was developed by Microsoft to better display graphics as well as other benefits. And then the license, how to order, $12.95, credit cards, snail mail, phone. We will email the key code. It is very important to include an email address. It is very important to include an email address. It is very important to include an email address. You cannot deliver the product without an email address or payment to send this via mail. And then $4 or $6 for the orders, for the shipping, I think. And it should be done. Creating icon still. Come on. Oh, you need to restart computer? No, I'm not allowing that. Oh, please select Warbirds 1 as the active screensaver, then press the settings button to enter the control box to begin customizing. So it's Warbirds 1, settings, and okay. So we have options here. So sounds, okay. Stop sound after 2 minutes. Aircraft speed, mouse sensitivity. Do not proceed if the planes are moving too fast. No matter what setting. Try this. Serial number, about. Warbirds 3.2 in the development Nexus Media. Copyright 1998. All rights reserved. Help. Oh, it's in Word. What is it? Click the right mouse button on the red or green waving underlined words to correct them. So there are some misspellings, or did I download words? So much about the spelling part. But yeah, let's see. How to install customizing filter register the library stuff. Is it secure? You need to be very careful how you send your credit card numbers. Our servers are secure. You can tell by the S after HTTP or HTTP ordering pages only. Business yada yada yada. Icons get shuffled around. You can see any graphics. Do you feel get free updates? Yes. Can you use any of the photos included in include for my projects? Absolutely not. That would be in the violation of federal laws. We license those photos and are given permission to use them, but we are not allowed to relicense them to others. Nexus Media will not be after you. It will be the owners of the photos, and they can be large corporations with a lot of money to fight in the court. A word of warning, the owners of such images do not take it lightly when someone uses their stuff without paying for it. My advice, go to the store and buy some clip art. And I think that even buying some clip art doesn't kind of allow you to use it even for some projects in some cases. Like the license can be still kind of restricted in some ways. Maybe the best option would be just to use Creative Commons license, like the one which is basically just CC BY, which should be just like the attribution only. That's maybe the most safest one, but you might also be able to use like share alike or no derivatives, but that varies. I can only use this screensaver on one computer. A lot of controversy about this agreement. Try to explain it to you. Might appreciate why all software vendors do this. Yes, including Microsoft. Think about this example. And then all the yada legal stuff. Okay, I'm sick of this reading. Can you actually try to preview it from here? No, let's just try it from here. Preview. We need to find your CPU speed. Please enter it below. 150 THC. If you do not know it, simply enter 233. Okay. In an attempt to configure the screensaver to the best settings, you have to enter your CPU speed to be 233. We have set the tune PC feature that to what we think will work best. However, because the way your computer is set up, these settings may not work for you. Please go to your control box of the screensaver if you need to adjust the settings further. The tune PC features will slow down the animation. If things are moving too fast or too slow, you need to adjust the tuned PC feature. Okay. Power management. Important notes. It is very important to check the power management box. If your power management user, failure to do so will lead to the sound not turning off and possibly having to reboot. To avoid this situation, simply go to the control box and select the power management tab. It will take about 2-3 seconds for the screensaver to start. This is normal and due to the large amount of graphics and settings. Okay. This program requires that you use a monitor that is capable of using 64K colors. Oh. Yeah, so I guess that's not working, or so yeah, shame. Oh, special bonus. All cinema orders receives free wallpapers. You know, this kind of feels like, so for how to say $50 or $70 for a program that you actually have to tune this feels awkward. And you cannot actually do anything. Nah, shame. Okay, we know about adware. So let's try to scan the current state of our PC to see how much of a trouble we get. Just let me try to maybe put out how this is snapshot. Moment. Alright. Okay, I did install the adware. Let's go and try it out. The very old thing. And let's see for the options that it has. About, ignore list, options, language, safe mode, the extra options, and yeah, nothing much. Okay, let's make a scan. I did make a scan, right? Okay, let's just go for complete scan. Maybe that's what it needs. Congratulations, no spyware components detected, even though I didn't even pick any. But let's try now. Oh, we already found some things. So we have some processes. I think that's like the time sync advertisement bot. And it just now keeps going up and up. It's probably going to be a bunch of stuff. So what else? Economizer, internet surfer is online. Oh, and we are done. So 60 new found new components. Let's see. Alright, so the adding, is there any information about this? No, we shouldn't. So yeah, time sync, so that's TSA dating. Alright, side door. So that's like from that one game that I installed a long time ago. Side door time sync, time sync, and yeah, nothing much else. Okay, we'll keep those running. No, don't. We'll just ignore all of that. We'll keep them on. Like that's all offline either way. Hopefully. So let me check for internet software. So there's like multiple window abilities in here. Okay, do you want to make it default browser? Yes. So it's already trying to open GeoCities to Jack Flacco's website for whichever reason. And I don't get it. So what's special about this? Oh, wait. Okay, it's made by Jack Flacco, so that explains why it's opening that page. But multi-window options. I think it's like that. So you can actually have it like something like this set up, or actually wait, something like this. So you can actually have it. So you can have like one side in here and one side in here. And yeah, that's basically the point. The multi-window, I think. Otherwise, it's just like plain simple web browser using Internet Explorer engine. That is online. I think that's like for the dialer stuff. It's probably not going to work. Oh shit! Oh damn it! No. Oh no. What kind of horrors I'm going to get now? I don't have a good feeling about this. Yeah, I am not that glad about this. Wait, what is it now? Just let me quit this quickly. Okay, we'll continue where we did stop. So that thing, oh goddammit, why does it hang in there? Okay, what did we have? I have no idea if it's installed. the is online thingy. Never mind it. Okay, let's see. For the internet, what else? Spam whistle. Spam whistle thing. Wait. Agreement. Yeah, agreed that. Yada yada yada. Next, and install. Finish. And it's in here. And then you have like specific rules in here. Just for the money patterns. So it already has like some default patterns in here. For checking things. Then patterns. Oh yeah. So wait. Bulk email or Devin spam marks? Bulk email, ABS, automail, emerge, extractor, group mail, jackpot. Many things here. There's usual spam message phrases. So let's see. Oh, billion different discount dollar franchise free guaranteed. Million now only remove value. 100% satisfied. 24-hour message. 100% satisfied. Same go. Absolutely guaranteed. Best selling, bonus dollars, and well, a bunch of stuff. There's also adult words, like the spam words, and usual spam subject words. Spam words, bulk email mass, subject words, advertisement, advertise cash, amazing, and for adult words, okay, I'm not saying that. You see it like, like some this XXX things. At least there are small amounts. I've seen much bigger ones. You'll see maybe in the future. Okay, we are done. Okay, I'm done with that. That's just running in here, right? What's actually try to check that? Actually, let me actually try to figure out a way how to do it. Oh, that's for the mail in here. Let me try to switch to the John Doe identity and try to make an email following one of Spam Weasel's rules. So we need to check the subject against its money patterns. No, that. Okay, we'll check for the mail body in guarantee in capitals. Okay. So my name again. Okay, let's see for the subject money patterns. Get $100. Click here to get $100 guaranteed for free. Just a lot of exclamations also. Okay, so that should be sent. Okay, now we have to switch back to the other identity. Now let me just switch the sound for this for a moment. I don't like the sound that the team has put in. It should be... Where the hell is it? New email. Should be N. Notify. Okay, now switch the identity. Okay, I actually like that, hearing that sound for a while. It gives a bit of a, how to say, a flashback. Oh, and that gives a bit of a flashback too. Okay, so the mail came in here just fine. So I have no idea how this is even working. Wait, listing of port. So I have no idea what was this thing doing. So I actually got the mail, but it didn't do anything. Or Okay, let's check for the help. How it works. You lose an email client program. Proxy program. Oh. Oh. So I actually have to configure this like this. And no wonder that's going to actually go quite badly. Okay, okay, attempt number 2. We'll try to change this with how to say, actually no, and well, actually we'll try just in case. I didn't click for help. Okay, for configuration. So how did it go? I mean, I cannot do this because account name. Then I actually have to send it like this. Wait, it's not even allowing me to actually use another @ so I'm actually stuck. Wait, now this might work. If I do this, this might work. So let's see. Pop3. All right, let's just check. It's not. It seems to be okay in here. Now let's switch back. We'll try to use this again. We'll just forward it now. Okay, let's try this again. Let's see how this will work. Oh. Oh. So here's the thing. So we actually got the message from spam whistle saying that this was spam that's detected. And I have no idea where's this from. I think this is the old one. Yeah, that's the old one, sorry. And then this is the one of the actual spam file. The actual spam message. So it actually updated the message to include the spam title, notify the user that it has spam, and that's it. So let me check something else in here. Did it change anything else? Yeah, I'm not sure. Okay, so this does work. It changes the subject. It saves the message. And that's basically it. It feels kind of inconvenient. So how much does this cost? Okay, the register the option doesn't work in here. Let's see it here. Registering. So when using it, after some time, it will prompt you to register a copy. It's free. So that's strange. So you don't actually have to spend any money on this. It's very awkward. I mean, it's nice, but very kind of strange. All right, let me just go back to the normal. Just get back to the normal stage. Okay, some of these might not be malware NTVDM because it's from the magazine CD, but they can be still kind of annoying. That doesn't include the parts from the online stuff. If they try to go online, there might be some risk of it. There's verse IP. I think that's like going online and stuff. So let's check the IP online most likely. Okay, so let's try just the local host then. Okay, so they actually eventually get the information. So localhost the South America, no, South America, the Caribbean, and Africa. Okay, let's try for the domain name. Let's see CNN.com. It's actually resolving the stuff and all that. So that's kind of interesting. Interesting. It does provide all the information. Maybe not everything, but still. Yeah, it's unregistered. So if I try to register it, yeah, no idea. Okay, for the multimedia audio player, let's see how this one will work. Yeah, just play it. Can you play something? Nothing here yet. Can we actually have something in here? I'm not sure if there's still anything to play. I mean, I'm not going to play the back music because that's still cooperated in some way. So we'll just go with we'll go with brick shooter music. No, not the one, not that one. Yeah. The most depressing one, as far as it feels. We'll lower it. Oh, there's also for the karaoke if you want, which I cannot do because there's no music in here, but you can do the karaoke at least. Oh, wait, that's for the lyrics. Can you close this and continue? This is for the volume. There's the option for pitch, but I think that's like for the other sounds. Equalizer, what? Visual arts. Not much. But there are more. Wait, that's all. Oh dear god. How many things are here? Oh, there's also in kind of flashback with this. Yeah, I think that's all. Customer service. Okay, I'm very confused in here. Okay, how do I close this thing? Oh my god, I cannot find any option to close it. Alright, solve that. I don't know. It looks like very like with the many options, which might look cool, but it's very odd. Oh, oops. Never mind. I tried to like read the disc for the music, but wait a second. Uh-oh. So that means that this will break. Yep, it will break. So that damn thing broke my mounted image. So just a moment. Let me see again. Okay, it's back in here. Really. Just try to like click in here and then it ejects your disk file. There are multiple effect lists in here. Between Metallica, Visual Arts and all that. Background, foreground. Yeah, many options here apparently. It's just very confusing to work on it. Okay, what else? C23, music match. So I forgot again to check the chat. I really get lost into it. So yeah, so for the overview. So don't forget to power off the PC if there's a thunderstorm incoming. So yeah, sorry for mentioning that auto rules. Yeah, I forgot to even about that. There's no thunderstorm today, so that's nice. And glitches aura. So basically what happened is when I tried to open the displayer and click on the button for the CD, it tried to eject the CD that was in there, and basically that kind of caused the blue screen of that, because it was still trying to read the CD, causing the, how to say, the blue screen of that to appear. When you try to read the content and the CD is not available at that point, usually I think the older versions of Windows will throw a blue screen at that point until you actually get the CD back on and it actually gets read properly, or something like that. Oh, there's iBit. That's probably not the Apple product. Welcome Picking Music Junkie. This will install the loop generator. It's free, apparently it looks like. Note, installing the folder of a previous version will overwrite all user patterns, and syntax fix. German does not get any warranty or liability. Use that at your own risk. With no faults, but shit may happen. We'll hope it will not. And have fun. Made with Micromedia Director 7.02. Should be fine. And let's see. That gives already a bit of a vibes from Macromedia. Okay, so let's try this. What's already set up? Wait, how do you even play it? Can you even play? Oh, play. Oh, wait, those are all the banks in here. Wait, user. Okay, so how they actually... Oh, crash. Okay, let's see again. What can you do? How can you actually tweak this? Okay, audio. Oh wait, no, user, and then... Wait, let's play. Load the... That's not a pattern file. So what's actually trying to look for? You cannot edit the default pattern yet. Maybe in the next version. Click on the edit button to edit mode. But I'm actually trying to figure out how do you actually try to speak the audio then. That's for the audio editor. There are some other skins. Oh, nature beat. But and that's all. Oh, that's in here in the sample. So wait, so if I try, where is it? I try to go with the plus sounds. Okay, so if I try with no unsupported, you didn't try to hack this video. No, I did not. I'm trying to just pick an actual sound file that might work. Wait, let me find something. It should be WAV file. So how the hell it's not a valid format? And it's not supported. So apparently I cannot actually pick anything else than the default stuff that they have. So it's pretty broken if you try to do user stuff, user-made stuff. So what else? Second. Oh, it's freezing again. Oh, it's still here. Then the Winamp thing. Oh, again Winamp. It's like it fails just in here. The plugin. Goldwave. Printing sound. Lame. The one of the things that you could use before to convert actual music to MP3 without getting without paying like massive money. OGG might be the better format at this point. And this is basically the music that's still copyrighted, so I'm not going to play. Audio Galaxy Satellite Forge from the media. What's this? Oh, this will actually include some adware. Let's install that. Just for the sake of... oh, and also including Gator. Yeah, go ahead. Just bundle it. Oh, a web accelerator. Yes, I want even that. Would you like to put it on the setup? Yes. So I think we actually managed to get a bunch of more adware than before. So what's this? Oh, so now I have to register and they actually put such a bunch of personal information. No thanks. But let me just check with adware. How much did we actually get? We had like about 61, I think. Oh, and for some reason, adware switched to German. How that happened, I have no idea. Okay, let's install Bearsher also. Actually, let's stop this and install Bearsher first. I think that's also maybe bundled with some things. Because Bearsher is like one of those popular things that you can also get a bunch of crap. There's also Nucleus, but I think that's the clean variant. Okay, oh, on Flow. Yes, let's install that. New.net. Oh, that's also that. Okay, just to give you a minor overview about new.net. So basically, back then you had like maybe a 4 or 5 generic domains: .com, .net, .org, .biz, and maybe a few more. But any other top-level domains were not available. So in that case, new.net is basically kind of like how to say hijacker for the DNS that will actually give you these new top-level domains. But in reality, they will be just like how to say placed under another domain. So let's imagine that you had like google.com. So in the case of a new .NET domain, if they actually ever used it, which I highly doubt it, they will have like how to say google.free. But in reality, the actual domain will be google.free.new.net. So that's the only difference. So they just never try to like use some new TLD. It will just kind of redirect it in a hidden way to google.free.new.net, something like that. So they just had their own new.net suffix, or actually their own top domain part. So that's how it usually kind of work if you try to explain it. If I try to explain it in a rough way. In a deeper way, it might be kind of more complex. Oh, and then it's also save now. Yes. Go. Wait, how many things do we have? Pair share, GNetWizard Alpha, OnFlow Player, new.NET, save now, a bunch of stuff. Excellent. Oh, and it crashed. Something crashed. Okay, let's see. iMesh. I think that's also one that might have bundle stuff. Fifth chance and space for advertisement. So yeah, Cider, and I think that's the only thing that has in here. Oh, it cannot proceed, so quit all running lining applications, and in order to complete, please okay to report or actually will cancel. Now, activate the new .NET plugin, activate common name, install save now. Yeah, just activate all that. We'll probably have to reboot, but maybe in the end. LimeWire, so I think we all heard of that. It's also one of those peer-to-peer software programs. So let's see what we can actually... Okay, we can continue this. And this actually didn't include anything. Don't... Configuring... we don't want to share anything. Done. Okay, this apparently went quite clean. Morpheus, let's see for this one. Is it a network service? Okay, this doesn't seem anything wrong. But it's very strange, it looks close to Kazaa. Maybe because that is kinda Kazaa. As you can see here, includes Kazaa technology under license. How ironic. Just think that like you can think like how similar the UI is, it actually is kinda Kazaa. Navigator should be like a copy of Napster, I think. But this seems kinda still safe than the Napster itself. Just to note, I never used those programs when they were active because I had no clue about those properly, so never had a chance. So at this point they probably do not work, but I'm just installing them in case they add a bunch of adware. Yeah, just agree. Okay, go back to the end of the license. To the end of the license and agree. Yeah, I don't know, just... Oh dear god. Okay, quit. So much about it. And then this thing. I think that's the last one. I think Nucleus is kind of clean, but we'll... Yeah, that's clean. It's on GPL. Held up, any advertisement software is in the GPL supported license. Once again, to restart will not. And then for utility, what do we have? Oh, 3D exploration. Oh, wait, that's for the... Just for checking out the 3D, the files, 3D models. This is cherry, not the balls, not balls. No need to censor this, even though it feels like that you kinda want to, but... Whee! The dolphin, very low. Whatever this is, I have no idea. R, letter R, and the pen label. There's also the gradient. Wait, and there are also a few more parts. So basically this is just like the 3D content reader, more or less. Okay, what else? Absolute Chaos. App for encrypting your data. Never mind. Won't work. Advanced font catalog. I don't think we need that. Let's see just what it does though. All copyrights to advanced font catalog are exclusively owned by Vicetech Software. Shareware for 15 days, and for how much? No idea. Okay, go on. Okay. In 50 days, if you try to register, no idea how much it still cost. New catalog. Wait. Try to open base. And there's nothing in here. Can you add anything? Add new volume, okay. So it's probably going to add a bunch of font size, I guess. For burning the images. Listing all data. Tool for searching HTML files. Duplicate file manager, folder box. Let's see for this. Okay. Fonts, and then you have like a bunch of fonts in here. So basically just font explorer. That you can actually find the actual stuff. So what's for the font box? 30 days of trial. What is $20? Launch. That's in the explorer bar available. Oh, it's in here. Oh, so you have set it up like this. So you have two boxes in here. What's this? Bex.com. Oh, Bex. Well, it looked like quite a strange name, but yeah, that's the name of the software of that company. So we have Cryptomite, Folder Shield, AutoZip for Outlook, no HTML, Shell Picture, and all other stuff. Yeah, I guess kind of okay. I mean, this looks okay. It can actually browse in here and here. I think that's kind of rogue. Can also encrypt files, and that's it. Oh, and a crash, as always. What else? Kaspersky antivirus. It's probably wrong. It may work incorrectly, but it does allow us to use it, so we'll go with that. We'll see how this will go. And let me just take one more moment for snapshot. Alright, we'll go on. Oh, and another restart, so no restart. Then mouse lock, PC accelerator, splitty, and then for the names, 3D Morris. Let's see this. Is this going to work? Trial mode. This is the first time that you start 3D Morris. If you like to start tutorial mode. And just a moment. If at any point this gets kind of in copyright issue, it's more probably going to be on mute. So just take caution of that. I just hope this will not affect me. I don't know. It feels like if I try to play this, it's going to affect the copyright at any point. Okay, we'll go with it's just computer player. I'll try to just go random. I have no idea. I cannot remember how to play this properly. Yeah, that should be okay with this. Should we now mail? Okay, so now remove one. Try to remove that one Should copy this. Maybe it wasn't the best option, but still. Yeah. Should block this. Oh, now you have to move. Okay. Let me see if I can make this higher. Nope. It just sticks in on this size. So I have to hope that I won't screw this up. Move this. Remove this one, I think. Now I have to just loop this around, I think. But I think I should... Okay, go back to this and then keep removing. Yeah, I think that should be sufficient enough to win at this point. So just move this around and back to make your meal all the time. But I really don't like this game. Usually you have like some kind of strategy to do and then you can you'll easily lose. Oh. It seems as if you're ready for a more difficult classic game mode. Or for the arcade game mode. Click on game, surrender match. To abort this game, you get a more difficult opponent. Oh hell no! Oh, wait, I'm already won. Oh. Okay. Just a few seconds. If this gets kind of cooperated in some way, it's just for context. So I was trying to play the meal. Wait, Morris, which I will usually call like for meal in our case, and in this case I managed to win with the easiest mode. So just placing like 3 in a row, and when you place 3 in a row, then you actually can remove one of those one of opponent's how to say pieces, and then after all how to say pieces are placed, then you have to move one by one, and then always try to make like a meal 3 in a row to actually remove the opponent's one. And I think if you actually manage to get up to when the opponent ends up with two pieces left, then you actually win at that point, I think. Asterix Mega Magnus, I actually played this like a long time ago, and I actually hope that this will work. So let's see. But yeah, for the video seconds, it probably won't. So that's kind of broken. But let me just try. Let's see. Yeah, it's not possible to do it. I think there's something in here just for something specific that I want to mention about this. Let me just find one file, because there's something that I remember seeing when I tried to install the Asterix game. Okay, let's just search for buffer. Okay, it doesn't seem it's here, but I remember seeing that one, how to say, video was actually displayed whenever I tried to drop to actually try to, how to say, one file being dropped named buffer.I think.mpg that would actually drop in with this game, with this demo game. So I'm not sure how this didn't work. Actually, let me try with white color. card. Okay, so there's nothing in here. Okay, shame. We'll see maybe. Just for also for the reference. Actually, I'll mention something in the end, at the end of the stream. You probably have a few more hours. Actually, not a few more hours. We probably just had one more reboot and that's it. And I think we can actually play other games at this point, but we'll see. For the Beachhead 2000, it seems that most of 3D games won't work because it actually requires maybe some newer version. But we might as well try if I actually find it. It's this. Nothing. Eraser. Wait, what? Cannot create C. Unzip operation cancelled. Okay, let's see the installation area. Eraser, eraser. Yeah, English. Not sure why does it actually include information. It does require a DirectX 8. Okay. I did pick yes, but oh, and broke. Get a bunny. So what's this? Finish. Oh. Oh, it's not functioning. Oh, where is this now? Eraser, get a bunny. Yeah, 3D card. I think this also needs... I did play this game though. So basically, yeah, it's a copycat of Pikachu. But it's usually like plain simple game. Okay, it's not working. I don't think we need to actually check most of those because I think most of them will just fail to run. Not sure what was actually doing like in the background. I saw like 2 MS-DOS prompts. Okay, let's go back to this and see. Backflight, remote assault. It might work. Okay. Start, 3 ball, 8 ball, 9 ball, straight ball, Pyramid American, 14-1. Okay, we'll go with 8 ball. Okay, register version. So 3 ball, fine. Practice alone with opponent. We'll just... Oh, cheats enabled. For whichever reason. Oh. Practice or cheats disabled. We'll go with practice. Music in here going. Oh dear god, please don't tell me that the music is going to actually cause some copyright stuff also. Okay, F1 to help. Aim cue by mouse, then click release left button. I don't get it. I'm trying to click the mouse all the time and nothing. Okay, how do I click quit? Okay, quit. Okay, let's check the options and see if it's not possible to do it not on the full screen. Oh wait, it's possible to do this. Okay, let's try this one now. Start again, tree ball, practice alone. Nope, the mouse still doesn't do anything. Alright, okay, one more attempt. At this point, we'll use HD ready and then not full screen. Start again. And once again, I think it doesn't work. Just a moment. I also tried to set up like for the mouse movement, but like, even if I try to move anything, like try to move the ball, and did nothing. Like none of the key, not sure anything. Wait, what did I do now? Ah, okay. This does feel more of a live builder. This feels more like what the hell's going on? Okay, this is way too trippy for me. I've played at least like 8-ball, but not like this. This is something else. We'll try microflight maybe, just to see if that's going to actually run. Try the demo. Oh. Okay, let's fly. Oh no. Wait, load, flight. Not sure if this is working or not. Let's try in the one. Oh. Wait, let me just increase this. Oh, no. Spin mode. Oh, what? This is very confusing. Very odd flight simulator. I think it crashed. Oh, there's So you can actually move this around. So let's see. Oh, what the hell is this? Oh. Very, very trippy. So there's also this. Okay, we'll go with this, I think. This should be sufficient. But we'll try to load something else. No, don't save, don't save. Load, how to say? Don't we need all ultramate? Oh, wait. Oh. Maybe something else. Whoa. Drive around the sunset. Pilot, chase, some ritual. Okay, that's nice. Actually fine. Whoa. Oh. Whoa. The controls are awkward, so I have to use WSD and arrow keys. This gives me a bit of flashback for some older games. Oh, careful, careful. Just don't hit. Oh, come on. That's it. Oh, man. Let's... Okay, let's try it like this. And... Oh. Oh wait, that's... So I can actually pick more options in here. So what else can we actually check? The word might fight. Oh. And crash. Oh, don't say, don't say. Whoa. Okay, this is kind of interesting. Actually, wait. Let me. Okay, let me just temporarily switch to maybe lower resolution. Just a moment. Let me try to just add a snapshot. Okay, now let's try to run this. Yeah. So I could. I've just put like this so I can actually see it a bit better. Oh. Oh. I rejected. And that's it. What else? Trying to run me. Oh. 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 Oops. Yeah, I think that's enough for this. Alright, back to the reality. Also remote assault, let's see what's that. Seems like I'm going to install. Let's also start Topia. Not sure how this will work either. Let's install this quickly. Wait, what's the second installer? No. Is it done? It should be done. It's in here. Come on. Oh, wait. No, don't start another. Wait, that's the demo. Wait, to run. Okay, so the second game probably won't even work. And this one is kind of stuck in creating icons, apparently. They are created. Wait, it's probably. I don't know. Well, let's run this. Never mind. And this? It's also not working. Well, we'll keep this like in here, since it doesn't do anything. Okay, I think that's all of it that we tried out. There's also like some others extra in here, but I think that's not special. We already did check out peer-to-peer stuff. Yeah, I think that's all. So yeah, we'll check out Everywhere scan now. Full scan, as mentioned. You might, hopefully you're not afraid of German. So it should be quite quick and, or actually schnell. And we'll see how it will go. So now it's at 50. And it's stuck at something, I think. Oh wait, it's going. Can close this. It's at 101, 102, 110. Remember, we were at 60, I think. Oh yeah, and I forgot about maybe trying to install other parts that require the restart. So we'll also add one more. Once again, with opening this one. This one seems to be broken. So I think we had Image having an issue with installing, I think. Come on, 125. Let's see. Alright, Gator, WebHenser, OnFlow, save now. New.NET, timesync, WebHenser, Sidedoor, alright. OnFlow, timesync, Sidedoor, well. Yeah, now it's like a bunch of stuff. Web 3000. Let me see if I still have some other software in here. I still have Spybot, so I'll also take a look at that if I still have the updates and all stuff. let's just give a check with this one. Let's see for the file set. Wait a second. Okay, there's still a bunch of stuff in here, so let's select all and see how this will go. This might take a while. Yeah, let's also install this once again, just to make sure. Yeah, reinstall. Cancel. Try to install this again. Actually, okay, we'll just stop this for a moment and reinstall this properly. We'll make a restart and hope for things not breaking quite much. It probably might take a while still, and then we'll try again. I think it's not trying to restart, it's probably going to display a warning. I need to please press OK. This is really still stuck. And yeah, I don't know. Okay, we'll make a restart then like this. Okay, we'll make a forced restart then, since it doesn't seem to work any other way. And hope for the best or the worst for the result. Looks okay for now. Oh. Not anymore. Need to close up all of this. And just a few more stuff in here. Oh. And there's also the antivirus in here. Starting clipped mode. With the next one. Let me just check. For this, does it, I think, okay, there's no protection, I think, enabled. So I think that's safe to consider. We might also check for the scanner in this. Okay, so yeah, let's check again. Oh. Oh, okay, so I got the German error in here. Anmeldungsfehler, a specified error in show bar. So this is, so Windows 8 is somehow becoming a hybrid of German and English at some point. Okay, let's try iMesh again. And I think that's all. So now I've probably had installed like most of the junk in here. Even though it's still kind of doing something. Oh. So yeah, a bunch of stuff in here. She's, I think, Faye. Faye's just sitting there. The Internet Explorer is just a bunch of now trash. Can be a bit more. Maybe not like this. Oh wait, there's common name in here. Folders. There's also the folder box. There's also real.com. Real.com, common name. So that gets a bit of already bundled up. Alright, let me try to run Spybot again. An ad, apparently. Dear God, I hope it's not something not safe for work. So yeah, we did check the We did check Adaware at least at this point. So let me just go back to the spybot. Let me also try to maybe... Let me check if I can actually open a Lavasoft page. Wait. Oh, this isn't... Oh, we are not developers of hardware. Whoops. So apparently Lavasoft doesn't have the .com domain at that point. And Spybot kind of seems to not working now. Okay, so we'll go with Juman Lavasoft and see what do we have. Hardware Professional plus just the plain one, I think we'll have to go with. And that's the old one. Can you still download it from here or... And without any kind of trouble? Okay, let's see. Oh, this website is for sale. Nothing from here. Techno Connect. Internal server error. Wineworks. 506. ASP servers not available. 2 cows. Oh, Adaware. Download. Things are slowly frozen. Not sure what's exactly not responding at this point. There's like a bunch of stuff in here. Okay, download for 98. Oh no, now I have to like use this, but that's not possible to do. Okay, from PC World then. This time it's going to open something, not the ad. Oh no, that means only one thing. Oh, it's so low in the resources that it's failing. Let's close that. Just click on the icon. I'm not sure if this is causing more trouble. Let me just close this. Because whichever is your mail in here. I don't know. Let's see. Chameleon clock is not working. Okay, let's kill that. What else? Okay, kill that. Whoa, what's this? What's this? Oh dear God. Never saw this. Oh, does not allow drawing. Does not allow drawing. Close. Not allowing drawing. Pay. Whatever you've done. You're going to pay for that. Yeah. We will kill Spybot also then. So how far are we with the resources then? Yeah, let me check again for the Lavasoft thing. And we're okay by now. So lots of things kind of went wrong. Can I even get the professional maybe? Nope, we actually have to purchase. Okay, download. Okay, let's see from here. At least one place that actually has a copy. I think we had like Adaware 5. And I'm trying to get Adaware 6. Oh no. What the hell is going on? What the hell? Who the hell is using this for download? Oh dear God. No. Oh jeez. Okay, let me try just. Or maybe it's just not working. Just checking. Yeah, it's not found apparently. Or it's not working. Okay, one more. Wait, is there any place in here for download or... Okay, it's hanging again. So let me see what's going on. Internet Explorer only? What's this? Audio Galaxy thing. Okay, there's a bunch of things by now. Yeah, it doesn't seem to work either. Just one place, please. I should have an option to download. Oh dear God. Okay, we'll try to kill one by one then. Uh-oh. Oops. I killed the wrong thing. Okay, I screwed up. Let me reset again. Just a minute, just a moment. Okay, things went kinda even more wrong than expected. Let me just check things. So basically, even virtual machine kind of froze to the point where it couldn't function. Okay, so I'll try not to install the new version of Adware at this point because it makes no sense to do it. Oh dear God, close, close, close. Just exit, just exit. Close, 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 close. Oh. Okay, can I now run spy, but maybe, or... It's going to... Okay, it's safely opened. Let me check for the options, file sets. And let me start it. Okay, we'll see how much it will detect. In the meantime, let me see, just 1.3. Yeah, usually in later versions of Spybot, you can actually click on the icon in here and get like an Easter egg to play, but it's not available in here, so not much of luck for me. Let's see if we can actually play maybe something else. I think this kind of crashed. Oh, wait. It can still work. And I still suck at it. No, I hate this. Just taking a look at it, it sucks. Okay, this keeps going, and we can actually now find a lot of results in here. So we have spy agent in 2 files, 2 libraries, library settings. Oh, okay, this is a bunch. A lot of stuff in here already. World media, Alexa related, that's a common thing already. Alright, common name, constant time sync, cool www search, 2 comics, etc. Okay, let's just check again. The cache is the usual stuff, so just a cache for the Internet Explorer. Alexa related is basically the what's related to the link. Let me just show it in here. Let me try open google.com. Okay, I think it's not here, but it's usually used as a button in here, the relate button for this. So I think that's basically the Alexa related. This part. Actually for showing related links function. Alright is just for the, I think for advertisements. Let's see. Client, wait, can I actually make this a bit, oh wait, let me try to make this shorter. Okay, this will work. To make it easier to explore. This file, settings, common name, makes internet shortcuts available. That's the toolbar that you have seen. Constant time sync, so that's advertisement tool. That was installed with one of those 3D Tetris games, I think. Cookies the usual. Google search, so with a browser helper object, class ID. Sidedoor, also like one of the set of installing with bundle with some how to say games, and one of those peer-to-peer programs. DSO exploit, that's probably just a security hole that will allow websites to execute code without asking you first. I'll probably have to check that out. E-acceleration, advertisement, I assume. Here's the tracking. Gain dashboard, gain gator for download. Web enhancer, I think that's also for advertising. OnFlow, full interactive online animation. Hides its purpose to bring you more ads under the cloak of a media player. So just, yeah, more ads. Gee, thanks, Norton. Yeah, thanks again. Radiate, it is for advertisement. For monitoring keystrokes. Web 2000, I guess just ads, maybe in some way, privacy stuff. Web enhancer for monitoring website performance. Collecting stuff again. When you save now, ads, I think just offering ads with personalization, and world media probably ads again. Okay, let's see just for the options, for the settings in here. So there was some active, so no ActiveX stuff in here, but BHOs actually browser helper objects. This Godzilla which had the malware for the advertising, and the activator is the common name is for malware. And the other stuff are like a bit more unknown. So this is probably also malware in some way. Okay, resident BHOs, browse pages, what's file, opt-out, internals, startup. Let me check it here. No, let me see if there's any details of some entries. Wait, maybe not that, like that. That's legit. This is VisiTalk facial illusion, no, facial animation tool. Firewall, Kazaa, save now, advertisement. Yeah, just a bunch of trash at this point. And then also the webcams are here. Let's see also for the Kaspersky. Let me launch that. That should be under K. Okay, let's make a scan in here. Smart. Deny access, yeah. Schedule. We start. You might hear maybe some warnings, maybe. Wait, this. Oh wait, this is the monitor. Whoops, not a monitor, a scanner. Oh, okay. Clip the mode. Is that it? Or it's still trying to scan? Just a moment, let me check. Okay, as far as I've tried like to let it scan, it feels like it's very slow. It feels like that. So maybe I won't actually run it, and you probably have like a bunch of those, cause it's a pig squeal, so maybe not. So I'm not sure if I should actually delete all of this, but I might as well do it. Let me just make another snapshot and that's it. Okay, let's fix all of this. Yeah, I'll write it on the restart. And we'll also do another adware scan, just for the sake of it. And then after restart, we'll finish up the stream. So we had about 110, I think, detections. So we'll see how much of this has been removed. And after that, we'll see how much things will go. Now it's 39, so much less. Okay, I'll select, yeah, remove all. Sure enough, it didn't remove all of it. Another restart. And finally, we'll check out how things will go in the end. Also to note, I'll have to switch to Linux by the end of this year, since Steam is no longer supporting Windows 7, which I'm still using, just to note. So I'm not going to switch to 10, I'll switch to Linux, and at that point I'll try to figure out how to run most of the stuff on Linux in this case. If all of the things fail, maybe I'll try to use 10 as on a separate drive at least, but I'll still see how that will go. But either way, I really don't want to install Windows 10 or 11 at this point, because they are horrible. I mean, very horrible in practice, horrible in transparency and all that stuff, and the bad experience that I had with Microsoft's account. So yeah. Yeah, and this will also try to do the cleanup again. Sorry if it's kind of, how to say, a bit of seizure. Just take caution in that case. But yeah, either way, I did manage to get another GPU card, which I'll use, because Nvidia's GPU doesn't work well on Linux. So this will be AMD's Radeon RX 7600 with the MSI variant, I think. And then I also have like another SSD just for the sake of installing Windows 10 if it's really needed. And from there, I hope that I'll be able to actually continue using and streaming this as usual. as far as I hope that VMware will still work as normal. Otherwise, I'll probably have to switch to something else. VirtualBox isn't that great, but I'll try to find a way to improvise on things. Most likely, I'll try to have separate set of virtual machines and then maybe switch between them to run some things. It's probably going to be even more complex, but I have no idea if that's going to be worth it or not. Maybe at this point I might even switch to Windows XP as the main virtual machine to make things working much well, but I don't know, we'll see. I'll try to figure out how I should figure this out, and I still have to try to record some malware at some point. It's been a while since I even made one, but going with this is basically kind of easier to work as I'm just trying to check out random stuff, and it's kind of still more fun. While with malware, I still have to try to run it and then figure out what the hell it's doing, and I'm still not experiencing the reverse engineering, so not much of luck with that. So yeah, in the end, I'm still trying to stream on one proxy server that then relays the stream to Twitch, YouTube, and at least Kick. And I cannot say that I'm getting any audience from Kick and Twitch, but at least on YouTube I get some of you in here, so that's nice. It at least gives me a bit of more motivation to continue streaming, but I still need to make videos also, and I still need to treat this as a hobby. I'm not getting any money from this either way. This should be also close to finishing. Even though the timer says 00 here, like the ATA is supposed to be already done, you can already expect that this is not always kind of precise. But there's this, how to say, better check that you can see the progress. But yeah, usually most of those, how to say, ETA timers are kind of based on the algorithm where you actually check how much of progress are you making per some specific moment, and then calculate that as a given ETA. So how much will it take for you to finish all of those entries? I think it's going to be done soon. But yeah, overall I think this was kind of a solid stream. We did check most of the apps. I even forgot what was we did start with AutoWare that kind of had lots of mess. We did also go with HyperCam that kind of did work quite well inside of the Windows 98. It did go with full HD, but not with more than 10 frames per second, and along with constant crashes. We're close, maybe. So what else? We did check maybe one of those flight simulators. That I kind of like that the best. It gave those very old retro 3D vibes. Too bad it's only demo. And yeah, and not the 3D, but the wallpaper generator with the gradient that you can see in the background. That's also cool. And I think that's it. It should be done now. Okay. Select all, fix all. Okay, we'll just ignore that. That should be fine. So we have a bunch of stuff stored in here. Immunization is not needed. Just that's just for adding the entries to the restricted websites. No, stop. That's enough. Uh-oh. Something went seriously wrong then. If this is going. Wait, what's the cause? Tray clock. Oh boy. Hey, no help apparently from you. Oh, 0 trial days left. And I still cannot use this. Oh, you cannot use this anymore. Oh, and she's gone also. Everything's gone. Alright, we'll switch to another screensaver and finish this up. I think we had the messy room, so we'll end with that one. Okay, well, let me just give a conclusion here. So yeah, as we did check out like most of the things here, we tried to clean up things, but things ended up even worse with the tray clock missing in here and kind of breaking things further. Yeah, you cannot go any further than that. So yeah, that's it for the stream. We'll see for the next time when I'll try to stream. And at that point, I hope I'll switch to Linux and go for the future, more or less. I also got like lots of new equipment, and I'll try to see if I might do something else in the future. And I mean, I'll still do the malware and all that, but we'll see. Still, thanks for the watching and enjoy the rest of the stream of the messy room screensaver. So yeah, thanks again and bye.